So how many eggs should you eat in a day? And what happens to your body if you eat more than one egg a day? A lot of people are concerned whether eating more than one egg a day can increase your cholesterol. I will explain everything you need to know in today's video. If you are new to this channel, my name is Oskojo Emmanuel, a licensed physician assistant by profession. If you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, subscribe and then turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified always whenever I release a new video. Now, one thing you need to know is that there is fat in egg, but this particular type of fat contained in egg is one of the healthy form of fat, because this fat in egg is more of unsaturated fat than saturated fat. Hence, your body needs it. It's very, very healthy to your body. Now, whether you eat your egg scrambled, boiled, or fried, there's nothing wrong with it. And one thing you need to know is that there is no ideal number of eggs that you need to eat a day. Whether you eat 1 or 2 eggs or 3 eggs a day, there is nothing wrong with it. But there is a caution. You need to be very careful of what you pair the egg with, or you eat the egg with, and also how you prepare the egg. It's very, very important. So first of all, let us look at how you prepare your egg. Now, to those who like their egg being fried, you need to be very cautious of the amount of cooking oil you use in frying your egg, because a lot of our cooking oil contains more of saturated fat as compared to unsaturated fat. And saturated fat is very high in LDL cholesterol, which is bad cholesterol. Bad cholesterol can put you at a higher risk of some cardiovascular risks. So if you don't regulate or control the amount of cooking oil you use in frying your egg, the egg itself has no issue, but the cooking oil can put you at a higher risk of some issues. Now, what you pair the egg is also very, very important. You shouldn't eat your egg with sausages and bacon, those kind of processed food, because they contain a lot of saturated fat and also a lot of salt in them. There are some particular group of people that cannot eat more than 1 egg a day. These include people with high cholesterol. If you're one kind of person who have been diagnosed clinically with high cholesterol, this means that your body is unable to regulate the amount of cholesterol inside you. So if you resort to eating more than 1 egg a day, then the cholesterol or the fat contained in egg, your body cannot be able to regulate the cholesterol. So that is very, very important. So a healthy individual can eat 1 or 2 eggs a day. You understand? It's advisable. You can eat 1 or 2 eggs a day. But if you know that you have been diagnosed with some particular medical condition that puts you at a higher rate, that your body is unable to control the amount of fat or cholesterol in you, then you can eat 1 egg a day, which is very advisable. Or you can consult your medical doctor with regards to how much or how many eggs you need to eat in a day. If you find this video helpful, feel free, subscribe to this channel for more videos, like this video, and then share this video to many people.